He say you drew semi-finals of the World Cup. Now, of course, Yehu at a point said the England brow bray and sana finally ultimately advanced to the next stage of the competition. Yehu Spaniard and so they virtually Yehu will be there and rich. My dear Bakune said me assure say Obia or no, you know, or yeah English fan now the Bakune ni ebeji ye pane. How are the Three Lions of England and manage Estope, one of the most deadliest strikers on earth in the shape of Erling Haaland, rich. Except this game, one shot goal, no, na competition, no matches in na Brantiano, Airtontina, or many beji ye pa. Teach me a show, so show ne Maguire or my battle, no. It was such an interesting battle, and overall, me feel say England defense, no, they were resolute. But rich, at the ABC game, no, so I didn't ever swear, Alexander Solot. Sa ball na Unyaya, na man for expect to say. Haaland, and I say, or the Bema Haaland, with sa space no Unyano, Nanko Bebo Ediashe. Unfortunately, a Branton over elaboration on his part. Me sure say be a Ghana and the Quebec say Jordan Ayuna. Now he was being selfish. It's, you know, England going forward. No, at least one positive thing is that for now, teams no more Aqua World Cup Pedro stage is saying any the air could be ano and here maybe air daddy. Rich almost relies solely on a player. England, we felt at a point Nanka it was all about Hurricane, but recently Jude Bellingham also a step up. Actually, say even there, Hurricane and Yema Enco as expected, or be deliver the goods, no, or no best hedgeman. So it is good for the English team. Return himself, we are no free horn man. Sounds soon about France and so, and yet just about killing Mbappé Lutain. Rather, you would have a branch and yet the Osman Dembele. On himself, Oko football, Abakose Moa, over the past 50 years in the World Cup, or even the first time in the World Cup, that we've had. Two players are almost 5+ goals. This is the second time. ABC. The first time we see Sobeka, that was in 2002. 2002 Japan South Korea. Rich. That period no na Brazil just World Cup no. Now that period no. The 3 R's. Ronaldinho, Ronaldo, Rivaldo. But Rich, what happened was that Brazil just World Cup no. You had a certain Ronaldo. Oh no, Emma 8 goals. No about Becca Branty and the other Rivaldo. Oh no, so Emma 5 goals. Except that Ayana unya 2 players or more 5+ goals. And in a way, good for France. Our France and so on. For now, not just about killing Mbappé Lutain. Rather, there's a certain personality in the shape of Osman Dembele. I say Mbappé and Shaw no so ebesho. So it is good for them as well. And then you talk of Argentina. Argentina also. We felt that consistently they had been relying on Leo Messi to give them goals. But Rich, since Yano, BBA the idea say Alvarez Monsono, and so best step it up when I Messi who game no so. So it is good for them as well. It is all steady idea, no way, I didn't go for Kessiano, and they say most of the goals, no, say Erling Haaland and share, especially in big games, say Haaland and share goal a bad problem. And them say no any other back one England for air smart who say so to me Haaland every game one in effect no where we or team no whilst other teams here yabo or mudin you know and yet just one source and the goals no a bromo. Talk of the Spaniards for instance, right? Spaniards don't mean one particular player and a bemo goals. Almost the crowd they are saying when they say there's a certain Mikel Merino. And Mikel Merino every bench bar where huge impacts and or they ever game an impact up of the bench bar or ready game no so and or by now or the goals no ever. In fact, qualification year when the level of progress econo a branch and so play a key role from the bench. It's a cameo quest teams right now. Obi be special and more bedru sa stage we. Rachel let me show World Cup no ye pa na me the imagine quite be so. Minim se wajina basadi and so World Cup 4 teams na akano. Oko clearly by FIFA ranking top 4 na elbow. Omo elbow World Cup. Rich me patrol currently oba FIFA World Cup no. Do odikan ye hwan me patrol in terms of ranking. Spaniards, Spain. Second hwan Argentina me boa. And then third France. And England and so fourth. So 4 teams now so na World Cup here elbow is no rate. Do semi-finals. So corner by that time, a true reflection of the Open World Cup. Because World Cup no top 4 nations no I rank you no. Almost na abo World Cup na bedru stage say. And Rich says Sadia Oka say oh sha FIFA were very smart. Your Wimbledon. Now first no na agene maso. Onim say FIFA started say ye CD teams no. Ade ba ko FIFA ye ni ya na agene wo so ye pa ne say na opese or separate the boys from the men. And oye ni say big teams no eni say musiam ho at an early stage. E to me top you group nko ade a big teams no nkonkonko siam ho. And so you be boy do quarter semi-finals or no. And yeah, they are mobile besia. And Rich, in a way, we thought that it was good because the Basana and Massage Park there was all competition, no. And film because sponsors and so our interest, and not just about ball now, bono. Sponsors and so our interest. So more now, big boys, no Rich. Air couldn't say no. Now my game no interest, and so gradually now kana air cost show. 80 me happy. Say yenya sadia air cost. Now, Rich, let me share the being so hanum. Anyhow, FIFA describe the competition so far. Almost so almost full says idea no me no. Now about transparency, almost per se competition no air. Nuntina almost side way because we've had periods younger big boys almost air contem because of set big boys in Ankasa ACC almost ebia to Belgium da ebia to France da ebia to Spain at numina eda Alcasa all can. From 2010 ebenya obenya sad no e de aka entro Rich adibi so amasan hu ohanom unim say World Cup 4 teams ya aka hu me pacho why Nigeria 2010 World Cup
2010 was Spain
the Spaniards that time na no more domineering period no omo G Euro say sound so the World Cup no e source no Rich Spain Nigeria 2010 World Cup me pacho why Nigeria 2018 World Cup
Russia at the end of France,
France won the World
Cup.
And
the last edition, Argentina,
AJ. So who the womb? Adibia Saba be clear. Rich World Cup here, boy. Unya an outside or Babeja World Cup no. Homogena. Yeah, mamma, a new face be or Babeja World Cup. Homogena. Because as you rightly indicated, one, France are former champions of the World Cup. They've won it twice. Talk of the Spaniards, almost a former champions of the World Cup. Almost semi-finals. The Three Lions of England, they've won it once. That was in 1966. Since then, almost GBO. Almost so that the Argentines, and defending champions of the World Cup, almost so that
okay.
And I trust who outside the beer, where we move. I almost bomb one the edge, no. I almost be fright, no one edge. So it makes it so interesting. So it tells you that any game or because a game no airful. Minimum so me ya, you know. Any game or airful. On paper no, you na ya penny babo. Now Rich, adia bakuni. Obi also the revenge be Abasa World Cup you. Killers for no more hono. Rich offer England and Argentina. Me sure so crano a game back why you'd love to watch that game.
Sure.
Argentines no ya dey bro. Now the interesting aspect of Adi Omo Yeni, Argentina for a request. Say Omo per se Omo dark blue jersey no. Meaning whether they are being superstitious. Omo actually Yama FIFA. I'm one of their top journalists. Gaston Eden and Augustin Edo are reporters idea no. So yeah, say any Monday on. By what time you sure said decision
on Wednesday.
Because that game, maybe room say Argentina air court game as visitors. England and air started as the home team. So yeah, patrol. And Argentina say requested said though just you know, and yes just no more no. Just in England and bet me a clash and yes sir. But they feel say BB Sunko I just num dark blue just now. Me sure say enche the better Facebook and I YouTube them share sad dark blue just. Reason in the outside just no munti omo ani abre. Argentina 1986. Okay, the hand of God. Diego Armando Maradona. Akwa mo fa so yi England a free World Cup no me yaya no. Rich. Sad just no ni just omo say sad dark blue just no. And only just omo say. So almost see omunim say lack e was jersey no. Me so say kai 1998 World Cup. The Ariel Ortega e Argentina e ba ya Mike Owen e that splendid goal no. And also almost say yi you know England free mo no. And also sad dark blue jersey no and almost say Rich. So almost believe he say sad dark blue jersey no e jersey ba ko e mo lack ye pa titru almost bought against the Three Lions of England. Hence, they have requested almost as FIFA. Say FIFA bedroom almost no more access IJC. And this is one nation on it. England this year. But you miss your be rich. Game ready in the controversies, Pepper. So okay, Diego Simeone and David Beckham. So okay, it's our period no. And Beckham cry come fast in the free game no. And no ho Obasa can Abrantia and Casa. Diego Armando Maradona. World Cup or Gia Bessin and who England for he because of the Nigeria beat some controversies ni now and rich aside one another political twist to it. On him said there was this 10-week war and England and Argentina rich now about Bia they felt to say Falkirk Island no British territories mienu
okay
and Argentines they kwaji ball so and almost sure pansam Argentina for nan kasa England 40 no tiase and even World Cup na airborne adeɛ baako anyum baako to esa nyum to ache ne say World Cup no body among nkrɔfokuo miensa one Falkirk Island for no nkrɔfo no hu ne say nkrɔfo and a British no agidi aye dia say body among etoso mienu World Cup ne de ma Diego Armando Maradona and almost also abody ama Lionel Messi and tiniama de bane said your money bring revenge ade so mutim no esronko Rentu made Uber England side do their coach Lionel Scaloni say what see any interviewer or person water down on saa niema ni nyina because he feels say saa niema ni run the team no more e betimi di unnecessary pressure out on the boys ne so hence Argentina interview say just a normal game on fan adwene ko saa ni mataye na e kan no rich yenum so said the three lions of England the entia papa ebai this man Thomas Tuchel to win them the World Cup
after 66 on GBM.
Yes, after 66 on GBM. And to say anytime you have a guarantee interview near clearly or demanding more from the players. Also interview we no or guarantee na Jude Bellingham and na Jude no in a way say spite on Papa no. Me feel say psychologically or try mo say look. Adwuma ni see me mutimu nya mo de. When him say Guardiola tire side ni bi. Guardiola Kasabiana, even when any team a winning game crown, still pushing the boys. Giant Klopp will see us harder. So in a way, or he's trying to motivate them, say, look, you guys can still go extra mile. My name, your margin said, dear Moyano. And I do see I appreciate it so much because we don't name him the typical English press. And then how almost top players no be cry. Almost cast or more cadifa game. No. I say a young rap boys the team say they have even overachieved. And until Thomas Tuchel almost hano. Rich, another revenge. Spain and France.
Fancy.
So okay, during Euro 2024. Spaniards no ejeno. Rich. And also so the Lamine Yamal factor versus Kylian Mbappe Lotain. Who is who? Yamin Lamar Ashi Mbappe. Almost head to so away. So and no Mbappe is their star man. Lamine Yamal is also the star boy for and the Spaniards. Yes, though due to a prani adintina competition. No who so said you also no. But gradually he's getting better. And it's sad and our cracket one educate true say it edeko. So France also would want to exact revenge, demand their pound of flesh. It makes it so interesting. A lot of factors around the game, no. And so interesting. It's rich. From what I community say, I bet that near BB games,
Chinebedi games no come France, Spain, na England, Argentina on Wednesday. Ni no. Ebedi come no at me at the. I'm on my own Facebook. At la phone.